Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best GATE coaching in your city Nasik? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city Nasik. Before moving further, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. 1. We have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is a rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call The Hindu Zone Institute. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have GATE Forum Coaching. GATE Forum provides best training to GATE aspirants through its wide network of over 50 plus centers across India. GATE Forum's GATE online courses and GATE distance learning programs are most sought after courses by GATE aspirants. Further, GATE Forum Nasik is fully equipped to guide you on various GATE courses. Their expert faculties have an experience of over a decade in training GATE aspirants. Their courses comprises of live classes for GATE and G Drive for your personal GATE trainer. Then they also provide you with GATE study material along with GATE question bank. In addition to this, Online Target Plus is an online test series module for complete assessment. They strive to provide pleasant GATE coaching experience to every student. So, the address of GATE Forum Nasik includes 307 3rd floor Gajanan Plaza near Veterinary Hospital, Gharpure Ghat Road, Ashok Stambh, Nasik 422002. Their contact number includes 8888559922 and the email ID is nasik@gateforum.in. Now let's move on and discuss the advantages of joining GATE Forum Institute. The very first is they have high quality study material. Number 2, revision and doubt clarification sessions are held by the institute regularly. Number 3, India's best pool of GATE faculties. Number 4, they have a student support center and has pan-India network. And at last, they provide you Google Drive with video lectures and more. At rank 4, we have Triumphant Institute of Management Education, that is TIME Institute. TIME is India's leading test preparation institute with a pan-India presence and is headquartered in Hyderabad. Established in 1992, TIME today operates out of 237 offices located in 118 towns and cities across the country. Over 40 IIT IIM graduates form part of the core team at TIME. Now let's discuss the contact details of TIME Institute Nasik. The address of TIME Institute in Nasik includes 103 Rohan Heights, College Road opposite Domino's Pizza, D'Souza Colony, Nasik, Maharashtra 422005. Their contact number is 0253234240 and the website of the institute includes www.timeforeducation.com. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 5 institute, is Vidyalankar classes. Vidyalankar is a GATE coaching in Nasik that also teaches for other examinations like JEE Advanced, JEE Main, BITSAT, etc. Further, Vidyalankar has only one center in Nashik in Anandwali and total 26 coaching centers across India. Vidyalankar Anandwali Nashik specializes in GATE coaching and has an average or above average ratings. The address of Vidyalankar classes in Nasik includes Hariom Sadan Gangapur Road, Rameshwar Nagar, Balwant Nagar, Anandwali, Nasik, Maharashtra 422013, India. Their website is www.vidyalankar.org/Nashik. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city, Nasik. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions and now will select the best one for yourselves. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so that you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.